Hi everyone. What if I told you you could improve your English without memorizing hundreds of grammar rules, without learning long vocabulary lists, and without feeling bored? Sounds impossible? Well, today I'm going to prove it. In this video, you'll learn English through one of the world's most famous stories, The Rabbit and the Tortoise. But here's the difference. This isn't just a story. You'll learn new words, understand sentence patterns, improve your listening, and even practice speaking. By the end of this video, you'll not only know an amazing story, you'll also feel more confident speaking English. So are you ready? Let's begin our journey. Part 1. Meet the characters. Our story begins in a beautiful green forest. The sun was shining. Birds were singing. Animals were busy with their daily lives. In that forest lived a rabbit. The rabbit was very fast. He could run faster than anyone else. Because of his speed, he was very proud. Sometimes, he laughed at other animals. He believed nobody could ever beat him. In the same forest, there lived a tortoise. The tortoise was slow, very slow, but he was calm, patient, and hardworking. He never compared himself with others. He simply kept moving forward. Part 2. The Challenge. One sunny morning, the rabbit was laughing loudly. He said, "Look at the tortoise. You walk so slowly. You'll never reach anywhere." The other animals also laughed, but the tortoise smiled. He didn't become angry. Instead, he quietly said, "Rabbit, let's have a race." Everyone was surprised. The rabbit started laughing even more. "A race with you? You'll lose before the race even begins." But the tortoise replied, "Maybe, maybe not. Let's find out." The fox became the judge. All the animals gathered to watch. The race was about to begin. Part 3. The race begins. Ready, set, go. The rabbit ran like the wind. Within seconds, he was far ahead. The tortoise continued walking, step by step, slowly, calmly, without stopping. The rabbit looked behind. The tortoise was nowhere near him. He laughed. "This is too easy," he said. "I have plenty of time." Soon, he found a big tree. The weather was pleasant. A cool breeze was blowing. The rabbit thought, "I'll take a short nap. When I wake up, I'll still win easily." So, he closed his eyes and fell asleep. Part 4. Never stopped moving while the rabbit was sleeping. The tortoise continued walking, one step, then another. He didn't think about winning. He only focused on taking the next step. The sun slowly moved across the sky. Hours passed. The rabbit was still sleeping. Part 5. The moral. The rabbit felt embarrassed. He realized something important. Being talented is not enough. Being fast is not enough. If you become lazy, you can lose. The tortoise smiled. He wasn't the fastest. He wasn't the strongest. But he never stopped. His consistency made him successful. The animals learned a valuable lesson that day. Slow and steady wins the race. This doesn't mean you should always move slowly. It means if you stay focused, work every day, and never give up, you can achieve amazing things. Conclusion. Today's story teaches us 2 lessons. The first lesson is about life. Consistency is more powerful than talent. The second lesson is about learning English. Don't rush. Don't compare yourself with others. Read one story every day. Learn 5 new words. Practice speaking for 10 minutes. Little by little, your English will improve. Remember, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. The only difference is they never stopped learning. If you enjoyed this story, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. I will learn English through stories. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning.